label kina kambushewa, kina the dry lips or chapped lips. This tutorial ya nuna mkienda zaki ya ki achieve super soft pink lips daga gida. Okay, so me gidan ki ye. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great wherever you are watching me. My name is Sue. If today is your first time, you're welcome. And to those that keep coming back to watch me, I want to thank you all for your love and support. So beautiful people, today's video is just a very quick one. It's the tutorial on how to get a soft pink lips at home. So cheap. Okay, just look at that. Let me zoom this. All right, so like I said, I always use household ingredients, something that you can just lay your hands on at home. Okay, yeah, so this is quick one and fast. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. But if you're just watching me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Okay, yeah, and let's start. So you need a 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar, okay, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and also you need some lemon. Okay, lemon is an astringent which is capable of closing open pores and rendering them smooth. So this is just a teaspoon of that. So the next thing I'll be using is some honey. Okay, this is also a 1/4 teaspoon. So I'm just going to mix them together to have the consistency I want. Guys, this is my face. Look at my lips, not a good one. All right, so I'll just apply my scrub now. You can see. All right, so it seems it's a bit liquid, not a bit dry like I want. So you can use just a 1/4 teaspoon of the lemon, all right, so that it becomes stiff a bit. So this is it. I'll be staying for like 5 minutes afterwards. Before I'm going to just wipe it off and shower it. The wipe. You know, the wipe should be shower. So you then go ahead and apply your lip balm or oil, shea butter, or any kind of lips moisturizer. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and apply mine now. Yeah. And yes, I know a lot of people are experiencing chapped lip because of harsh weather conditions and all that, especially when it's winter time. Your skin gets dehydrated and all that. You need to be taking a lot of water, and when the weather is harsh, of course you get dehydrated. You need to take a lot of water, which causes your lips to dry out. So it is important that you keep your lips all the time moisturized. Okay, so this recipe is one of the easiest one you can try out at home. Okay, this lip scrub is so easy and simple, and then it does a lot of magic. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video.